for you. It's all happening here at Javi Sounds, okay? Something. And this song is called Nitamsifu na Kucheza. It's taken off my album called Takatifu in Kiswahili language. I'm just gonna be sampling you a little bit of what I'm doing here. Just to let you know, I promised you that we're gonna be giving you stuff. Okay? We're working on over 80 songs, and it's just a sample, just one of them. You can just easily see what's happening behind. Okay, I'm gonna drive it right here. It's just somewhere behind there. Yeah. I love this song. I really love this song. Okay.
Yeah, amenitoa mbali sana, nimejazwa na mamlaka, nina uwezo, ninaweza kwamba yeye anaweza.
Let's check a little bit of how my plugins are working. I love how they are working. Okay, I'm trying to look for that tracking just to see. Oh, this software is called Studio One. It's amazing. I love its simplicity, and I love the auto filter and how it's working. You know, just giving me amazing sound there. Let me just turn this solo off. Some kind of zouk. Sounds great. Wow. I'm looking for something like the lead vocal. I seem not to be seeing where it is. I got it. It's right here.
Umeketi naye Yesu, wewe ni mrithi wa mbinguni, umewekwa chini ya miguuni pako, umeketi pembeni naye. Sasa usikate tamaa.
I just love that. Seem to like the guitars too. Oh. Okay, that was enough. I just wanted to sample you a little bit of what we're doing here in the studio, just to let you know. Just be expectant, because what is coming your way is amazing. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. Javi Sound, this is what we're doing. Yeah, check you out. Be expectant. Should you wish to experience quality production of your music at Javi Sounds, please contact us through the number on your screen. Thank you for watching Javi Sounds.